7 coolest mobile homes you need to see. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Nano 10s. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Mobile homes have exploded in popularity over the past few years, whether it's people looking to go off the grid or simply looking for some extra comfort among nature. Far away from the bustling city while going on a road trip, mobile homes are something that has caught everyone's attention as of late. Here we have briefed some of the coolest mobile homes one needs to see. Starting off with the micro house. Everyone at least once in their lifetime has dreamt of just picking up their home and driving it somewhere else. Well, now it can be possible thanks to the micro house. Micro house is a 3D printed mobile home that does not need power connection, water connection, or even sewage connection. It comes with its own battery with 16 kilowatts of storage and a water tank with 550 gallons of capacity, which helps this mobile home to be fully autonomous for 365 days a year. It is powered by 100% renewable energy sources. We can call this a small town because it can be pretty much controlled entirely using our phone. Everything from lights to windows and even the doors are automated. It has everything from a living room to a bedroom and a full kitchen. Triple wide chance mobile home world. One of the biggest problems people have with mobile or movable homes is that they're usually very small and are not really fit for an entire family. This one company built a mobile home keeping families in mind that could practically fit a family of 5 very comfortably. Triple wide chance mobile home world is a mobile home that together with its porch is 2,975 square feet. This whole house comes with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a massive living room, and pretty much everything you can ever imagine from a regular home. The main purpose of this mobile home was to make it as similar to a regular home as possible. People won't feel out of place here at all. It doesn't have any fancy gimmicks but still manages to have an incredible and cozy interior, which when it's at the perfect place, people won't even be able to tell whether it's a mobile home or not. Mink Camper. When a regular tent is a bit uncomfortable for your camping trip, then this new camper comes in as a perfect one for you. The Mink 2.0 Sports Camper is the smartest camper you will ever see. This movable home delivers almost everything from fun to comfortability, from freedom to capability. This one's towable camper is towed by even the smallest of cars. It's big enough for 2 people to sleep and is fully heated. Even after all this, it still has a big enough space left for an outdoor kitchen. If you're planning to go on a long road trip, this thing might just be your hotel. One doesn't really need a massive RV to go off the grid. All you need is a car and a comfortable little pod named Mink Camper to sleep in, and you're good to go. Brother X. The Brother X is an attachment trailer that makes off-road camping more secluded and luxurious than ever before. This trailer is an absolute beast with military-grade material used in it. It's suitable for all the climates, therefore you can plan any adventure with absolutely no worries. This trailer has a bed seating area, indoor kitchen, and many other features that put this right in the middle of an RV and a camper. Its off-roading capabilities are pretty much first grade and second to none, which was made for the harsh conditions of rural Australia. Is where the company is primarily located. It manages to find the perfect balance between a vehicle that's actually mobile while also being something that you can actually stay in comfortably. Sealander. The Sealander is the first serial-produced floating caravan in the world. It can be used both on land and water while still being small enough to be towed by pretty much any car you can hold on to. It has its own small engine for when it's on the water. Inside the pod, the room is big enough to seat up to 6 people and can be decorated however you want it. It's made out of lightweight and environmentally friendly materials, and you don't need any sort of license to drive this vehicle. It is large enough to be comfortable while still being small enough to be mobile. With a height of approximately 190 centimeters, this vehicle can fit in any garage, car park, or carport. This plays an enormous advantageous role in not only road trips but also in the urban surroundings. New Refuge Gervasuti. The new Refuge Gervasuti is a mobile home that was designed to be placed inside extreme remote locations like the beautiful Italian Alps. Built by the Italian company Leap Factory, this part is transported to the desired location with the help of helicopters. Inside this, you can find pretty much everything you normally expect from a home: a living room, a bathroom, and a lounge area, a kitchen, and there's even a sitting area on the outside. It's designed to have a minimal impact on the environment it's in and is painted in a way so that the other climb balls and campers can easily see it. Valentino Rossi VR46 Motorhome. The Valentino Rossi VR46 motorhome is the most luxurious RV you will ever see in your life. While on the road, this vehicle is about as compact as any other truck would be, but once it's stopped, it can literally transform into a home twice the size. Inside the truck, one can find pretty much everything you normally expect from a luxury home, from a king-size bed to a massive TV, a huge couch, a kitchen, a bathroom, but what separates it from the rest is that nothing feels cramped at all. It simply feels like a home, which is how it should be. This is less of a luxury RV and more of a luxury apartment on wheels. And that is all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.